In this class, I will start introducing some HTML elements related to text. Sometimes we want to emphasize a topic using headings. For example, in this website, it is the story of Three Little Pigs. The author may want to emphasize the topic and also the subheadings. And for each subheadings, we would like to have a paragraph that describe the contents. For example, here we have the background and we say once upon a time, and we describe the wolf, and the wolf is hungry. And then we have the first pig, the second pig, and the third pig. So, how to do this web page? Let us go to our skeleton code. To start with, we delete all the contents inside the body tag, inside the body elements. So, let me verify that it is empty. So now this is empty, and now I would like to introduce the first HTML elements I would like to introduce to you. It is the header element. To create a header element, let's have an open tag of h1 and a close tag for h1 as well. Remember, we have to come with pairs. So this is the headings of. This is the first heading. Okay, so now save. Remember to save the file, and then we go back to our page, Command R or Control R or F5 to reload. And then now you see this is the first heading. You can emphasize this heading by having the H1 elements. Besides H1 elements, I'd like to also introduce you to the second one, H2, H3, H4, and go along to H6. So, for HTML elements, we have 6 types of different HTML elements for headings. Now, go back to our page and reload it. We can see we can emphasize the topic from H1 to H6, and these are the effects. To create this web page, we will choose H1 for the title Three Little Pigs, H2 for background, and H3 for the rest of the section headings. Let's do it together. So this one is Three Little Pigs. And then for H2, we will have background. And for the other 4, we will use H3, the wolf, the first pig. Remember, we use H3, otherwise it will be too small. And then we can Control C to copy and paste it here. We delete all the H5 and H6, and we do and we do the third. We save it. Oh, takes time to load. And then we come back to this page and we reload it, and we get all the headings. To add a paragraph, let me introduce you to a new HTML element. A paragraph is added by adding the P HTML elements. P stands for paragraph. And remember, it also comes in pair. So for the background, let's say once upon a time, blah blah blah, whatever you want to type, and we save it, and we come back to our page. Let's see if we reload, we can get the effect of once upon a time. Okay, now reload it. Oh, I get a once upon a time paragraph. You see, it's not bold, and it's just simply a paragraph instead of heading. Now, for the rest, I'll do it once again. For the wolf, I'll add a paragraph. For the first pig, it says run, 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 blah, blah, blah. And then for the second pig, we also have run, run, run. And for the last pig, we save stroke. Okay, we save it, and we go back to our page. This is a demo. And let me reload my page to see if I get the same effect. Hooray, we get the same effects. So in this class, I introduced the headings from H1 to H6 and also the paragraph HTML elements P. For more information, I've pasted some links below and you can go to wfreeschools.com. This is a really awesome webpage. You can see all the description, you can see all the HTML elements, and you can feel free to look through the documentation. So, this is the end of this class. See you next class.